Actually, TI is really familiar with this tactic. So this morning they've got a pneumatic drill going on outside. Alright. This wasn't there yesterday. The start, it's legit. I'll give it that because there's a damaged metal railing there. But I find it interesting. This started up as soon as I woke up, and as soon as I woke up, there was sirens going off. So, it is a reason for it, but still, I find it very suspicious that it started as soon as I woke up. Because it's like the minute I woke up, there was, because this is a remote auto monitoring, right? There was ambulance sirens in the town. So, just documenting it, how they synchronize these things. So I'm pretty sure they deliberately started it for when I woke up. So yeah, they use these kinds of jobs and demolitions and stuff like that to try and target you.